In my last video, lots of people asked why you weld a flat sheet to the pocket teeth. With normal pocket teeth, you can manage work like this. But without customized flat teeth, you can also manage tough works, like this.